close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Alright y'all, so it is the next day. I started off going to get my hair retied at the same place that I've been going ever since I found them. They are SISTERLOCKS certified. They do some good work, okay? And the attention to detail, I can appreciate that. Once I went to them the first time, the advice they gave me was that whenever I go to bed, since these are baby locks, my locks are now not fully matured yet, I should plait my hair whether I'm washing them or going to bed every night. So that's what I did. I guess this one came apart, but it is what it is. So let's just take it down so I can just show you all where I am and how it turned out as well. If you're new to my channel, y'all, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you're considering getting SISTERLOCKS, let's have a conversation in the comment section below, y'all. And please note that I did wash my hair. What I do now is that I wash my hair myself before I go for the retie, because essentially now I want it set up such that I have a little bit of control as to how my hair grows and to minimize any issues or unraveling that may happen. The reason behind that is that if you go to a loctician and they have to fix a lock or reinstall a lock or deal with any damages that you have, they do charge for that service. Plus, because the first place I went to did not care about the problems I had and had no intentions of helping me deal with it, I got scarred, y'all. I'm traumatized from that experience. So now what I do is that I pay attention to like literally every single lock on my head. Before I go for my retie, I check to make sure that I don't have anything slipping, I don't have anything unraveling. If any of my lock has unraveled, I reinstall it before I go for the retie. So what I do is that I section my hair into very small sections so that I can actually get to the root, and then I shampoo my hair at home, let it air dry, and then I go, or sometimes I blow dry it before my retie appointment, which is typically the next morning. And my retie schedule is every 6 weeks. I can't wait for them to mature so I can actually like wash my hair in its loose state to get rid of all of this, what I call hair dust from my flaky scalp and my dandruff, the aftermath, y'all. So my hair is feeling really dry because, like I said, I washed it the day before yesterday. I got the reties. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to spray this hair deodorizer on my scalp. It's a anti-dandruff, anti-itch formula. I've showed you all before. This is one of the products that I use on my roots. I spray it directly onto my scalp. And this is oil free. So one thing that I also stopped doing, and I think that's what helped me as well, because I believe oil feeds your dandruff, right? So what I did was that, or something that I was doing wrong was that I was putting oil on my scalp because it was always looking flaky and dry. But I noticed that for the past 6 weeks, I haven't, before this retie, I did not apply any oil to my scalp. I stopped doing that like after I got the medicated shampoo, and I read a lot more about dandruff, and then it was like, hey, the oil you put on your scalp feeds it, blah blah blah. So once I do this, I just rub it into my scalp. All right, so let's take a look, okay? So there is nothing, y'all, like a fresh retie. Y'all see? There, like the beauty of a fresh retie. Like, let's you see the beauty? Like, it is so clean, y'all. Like, this is amazing, okay? This is it. The girls are looking good, okay? This is like, what are we talking about here, okay? Get it together. Let's check the back real quick. Right. The other product that I do add for my hair is this. It actually has a little bit of oil and it conditions as well. And my loctician also has this concoction that she uses. But please remember that I only put water in my hair now once a week, because when I first started off, I used to spray water in my hair on a daily basis, and that was causing my locks to unravel as well. So what I do now is I only put liquid in my hair at least once a week, and I don't put this on my scalp. I make sure it's only on the ends of my hair. The goal is not to make the hair wet, it's just to add a little oomph or moisture to the strands. My hair is getting longer though, y'all. It is getting longer. My bangs are literally on my nose now, but I really enjoy this length that I have right now. I was advised to not put liquid in my hair when it's loose like this, yo. But sometimes this is the only way I can actually get the liquid on the hair, okay? My locks is officially 6 months. I got my locks done October 19, 2023. So April 19, 2024 would be my 6th month of being locked, y'all. And I love it. But these are my locks. One thing I have noticed is that the hair here on my back, this part, as you can see, the length is different from all the other portions of my hair. You get to learn your hair and you get to see like the actual growth pattern of your hair as well. And sometimes when you get your hair locked for the first time, some of the strands do lock and take the form of whatever stretch was given to your hair while the hair was being interlocked. Some do not. Some do get more curly, they curl up, they shrink, and some keep the length. So you notice that like this lock is one of the longest that I have in my hair, y'all. Like, look at how long this hair is, y'all. It's right here, but it's literally touching my shoulder. This is one of the longest lock that I have, and I have another one in between somewhere here. Each strand, it's behaving in its own way, and it's kind of weird, but at the same time, like, interesting, you know? So yeah, y'all, this is my retie for the month. So my next appointment will be 6 weeks from yesterday, because I go every 6 weeks. All right, so this is the hair. Thank you all so much for watching today's video and to follow me to get my first retie. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.